All right, we are in the planning process.
Oh boy, we're actually vlogging?
Well, we have to.
Hey!
Okay, I don't want to do any cuts. I just want to like... Okay, T minus how many hours? We start at 6. So
An
2
hour.
hours.
No, yeah, 2 hours.
So 2 hours until we set sail for our first overnight sailing race on Lake Ontario. We are so stoked, and Nikki has sweaty armpits.
I've just been waiting about 5 years for this moment, so I'm pretty stoked.
So we are prepping food. Our captain Simon, he's bringing some food, and so is the other captain Jory. And we're packing the rest of the food for lunch. We are making some stovetop coffee so that we can get a little caffeine boost before we set sail. Yeah,
It's been a crazy week.
It's been a crazy week. We have a bunch of stuff that we need to get done for work before we jump on the boat, so it's going to be fun and hectic. All right, so that's it. I think we're gonna put the camera down for now, and then we will jump back on when we're in the sailboat. And we have to say goodbye to Vivi for one night because she can't come on the sailboat with us. Okay? It's not safe. It's gonna be crazy. And it looks like there's a storm rolling through, so it's gonna be a good one. We've both never have done an overnight race, and it sounds like it's pretty much a 24-hour on the clock thing, so stay tuned. The cat came back. Simon.
Yes.
What is the Susan Hood, and where will we be sailing to?
So the Susan Hood is the start of the distance racing in Lake Ontario for the year. End of May, early June, on a Friday night at 8 o'clock. The race, it's a 75 nautical mile race around Western Lake Ontario. Been going on for a number of years. I can't remember how many, I think 50 something. I actually met Susan Hood a few years ago. She was here at the beginning of this race.
Was she a big sailor on Lake Ontario?
I think her father was one of the builders of boats on the lake, I believe, and named the race after his daughter. It's a 75 nautical mile race. This year it's the reverse of what we've normally done. So I'll start here at Port Credit, go to Clarkson, then we head south to Niagara, from Niagara over to Burlington, and then back to the start here at Port Credit.
And when you say Niagara, you mean the Canadian side?
The Canadian side, yeah. We should be in Canadian waters at all times.
At all times, okay. Have you ever been stopped by the U.S. while racing this?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Wonderful.
Do you have your passports?
Oh, hey there, Nikki.
I don't know nearly as much as Simon, but I can tell you this is my first overnight race.
What's the name of the boat?
True North. Been racing on her for the last 5 years with this guy.
When did you first learn to sail?
The first time I ever sailed was April 2017. So it's been just over 5 years.
You're a seasoned vet?
I wouldn't say that. I'm novel to say the least.
You're gonna be doing some gardening while you're out there?
I am, yeah, I'm just doing the plug right here.
Shout out. Repping a Fiel Raven.
If you're gonna do it, you gotta do it with conscious gear on.
And Spartan
These are my Spartan socks.
socks.
They were gifted. Nothing new was purchased for this expedition. Everything we already have is gonna do just fine. Savannah, in fact, brought her climbing harness, so to be clipped in overnight.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Dive buddy.
On this race. I have done it double-handed. I wasn't doing it with Jory, I did it with my buddy Craig. And I crashed and I went down and I fell asleep, and he called me up to come put a reef in. And I think I was, sound asleep, and he woke me up, and I jumped up here and I jumped up to there, started putting the reef in, and then I looked down and I'm like,
Nothing.
I had nothing on. I think I had a t-shirt on. I ran back down, got my gear, and then came back up. So you will get tired. So just make sure you check each other a lot. And I'll get you up to the bow.
Okay.
Back and forth. Always hooked in.
Yeah.
Make note that you can't clip in behind the...
Correct. That jib carpet.
Yeah, exactly.
That shroud. Okay, Jory.
There you go. Goodbye, land.
Adios.
Less than 1 minute of start of start 2.
Watch the start up ahead. A lot of boats. With the committee boat. Look at that.
You'll get sick all the time. Remember, the thing on it says best before does not say no good after.
Oh, I get it. I know who your doctor is. It's Dr. Pepper.
It is Dr. Pepper.
How are the boats doing in? Everyone looks pretty consistent right now.
The ones closer to shore look like they're moving slow. The ones out here...
Everyone out here is moving. I would say we're probably a little better than folks at shore. A little slower, yeah, a little slower.
50-50 ratio of who's on what tack out here. Yeah, it's so nice.
I've been sitting at about 32. And the ticklers are like stuck on the sail. They're not doing much. But
The boat get a bit more wind.
yeah, we're at 7.2, so I got a little bit.
Ready.
Okay, what's on the menu tonight?
So,
Captain Simon?
special Corley Ave Smokehouse. Have you heard of it?
I have.
The best reviews on Google.
Got nothing but 5-star reviews here. This is Corley Ave Smokehouse's brisket chili. So the brisket was made earlier in the week, and the sous chef, wife extraordinaire Beth, made the chili last night. Threw the brisket in, and hopefully this heats up in a little while, and you guys are in for a treat.
Woohoo! Woo! Our banana man.
You got a wind line coming in right here.
Popped. Good.
I'll go to 35.
Okay, right. 38 even.
That's better. Probably the magic number around there. Yeah, Windex is agreeing with you about 75. Okay. Knots of breeze.
Yeah, that's.
Gonna jump around on you.
Alright, I just took an hour and a half nap. I have never rolled off a bed into one of these before the way I did the last hour and a half. That was wild. Oh, you can see how much the boat's moving. We're heading upwind. We've just rounded a mark at Niagara and we're heading to Hamilton. So I'm gonna get on the rail and help get my weight out on the boat. Oh my god, I'm so
Main halyard. We are fucking flying. This is insane. Get off the spin. Get off the spin. Okay. We're good. What are we doing? Niki, I need you to unclip me. You sure?
Yeah, don't worry. Come up before you get sick.
Yeah. Coming. Don't worry. Whew. Having the time of my life. Alright, we're gonna attempt. well. They have a leak, I think they said.
Lion's Head, not the boat from maybe Wyoming. Another one heading in.
Wait, did someone say overboard?
They have to go in the water. They have 7 feet of water.
Oh.
Quite extensive. There's like 10 different options, but you wouldn't expect anything less when you give Jory a meal to assign. I'm starting with the first breakfast of some yogurt and granola that Jory was very bad that he had to buy, so I better have some.
We had some, Simon and I shared some melon this morning, which was so refreshing after lots of...
That's good.
We had the chili and blueberry pie burps last night, so the melon was refreshing, and then Simon's wonderful wife made delicious banana muffins that were so great to have in the morning. Now for the next course.
And maybe making this fucking mark.
Vanilla, raspberry, strawberry, or black cherry?
Black cherry.
Taking another nap because I still feel so nauseous. The kettle's going in the back. But Jory says he's going to work on that. Sav's crushing it. Last night we hit 22 knots wind speed, 22 to 25. And I had just finished puking about 30 times off the transom of the boat. Just feeling like the lumpy waves and the boat speed and it being pitch black, not having like a landmark to focus on. I was surprised how ill I was feeling. And Sav, Jory, and Simon have just been crushing it. No one's really slept more than an hour to 2 hours, other than me post-vomit session. I slept about 3.5 hours and felt so bad to not be able to help, but these three have been handling it so well together. So I'm headed back for a nap now. We're on the last leg of this 75 nautical mile race, and we're heading from Hamilton back to Port Credit Yacht Club. We've got about 15 nautical miles to go, and Jory is flying the spinnaker. Sav setting things up nicely. Savannah!
Yeah.
She's the biggest trooper.
Yeah.
Never seen anyone function the way she does when she hasn't slept, and conditions are far from like ideal. So what an experience. Alright, catch you on the inside.
You're going behind anyway. You're already behind.
No choice.
Niki's awake.
Barely.
How you feeling?
Not great.
How was your night?
Really challenging. Probably vomited over
Water's got a
30
few more
times.
minutes. And then someone's going to have
No,
to make the coffee.
fasting.
There you go.
I can make his coffee.
Jory's allergic.
Is he?
Oh, really?
To coffee?
Yeah.
No way. Really? Jory, does coffee kill you?
Yes. Well, I haven't actually died yet, so I don't know that for certain.
Chocolate.
Not so much.
Seed your chocolate cake.
Oh, I should show you my. I was gonna have. I have my little profile picture. My stuff is Mielniczuk wheelie. I think I found a new profile picture. According to the thing.
Yeah.
No.
What are we going to? PCYC on water finish. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you know why? Find waypoint PCYC on shore finish.
Yeah, not on water.
ON
On shore.
finish.
On so
ON
it's
finish.
ON OS? No ON
OS. That's fine.
Yeah.
On shore.
Yep,
OS.
that's it.
OS.
No, the mark we're looking at.
Navigate to go to.
Yeah. Is that changing anything?
Yeah, no, it's the mark I'm looking at. It's the
Yeah,
mark I know.
8 degrees port.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. You are correct, sir. Nice and slow with the halyards. Hopefully it catches it. Well, there's that. It's okay. The Dr. Pepper saved it.
Doctor to the rescue.
starboard.
Is that good? Harder? Close call?
In the bolt. A little tighter. Get it. It's okay. Let it go for a second.
That looks good stuff.
I had to. Back into the car. So it's our Thursday night sail race, and we've had to abandon because of the weather. There's no wind. But we're here with our captain, Simon, and he's going to give us some results of how our race went on Friday and Saturday.
The hood was very windy, up to 25 knots at time. Very challenging 30-mile leg from Niagara to Burlington, all upwind. But we did finish the race. There was 9 boats in our division. 3 boats dropped out because of those conditions. And then of the 6 boats that finished, True North finished in 3rd place. Unfortunately, we were the only boat from ABYC to actually get a flag. There were several others, and I think there were some 4th place finishes and some boats from ABYC that didn't finish. So overall, fairly happy with our results.
Amazing.
And this is Jared.
Should we introduce him? Are you sure?
I think he's pretty enough for the vlog.
All right, let's get a close up.
I'll skip the vlog.
Stay right there. The sun's hitting you so
Are we still talking about the tomatoes?
We are.
Yeah.